Welcome to Eagle.
Hello team, in this video we are going to see installation of ECON PS55 model, for which we will be requiring the above tools. So first of all we will requiring an screwdriver, a spanner of 14 and 15 number, and another spanner of 10 and 11 number, and a 3mm Allen key to tight the grub screw, and a cutter. So now we will open the box. So this is how the user will get a packed box. Now we will take the material out. So first we will take the back rail out. So we have taken the material out, and now we will open the indicator box. So in the box we are having a 3-pin power cord, a swivel with nut and bolt. This is our ECON indicator. It comes along with a packing slip and user manual. So now we will start the assembly of scale. So as we can see, we have a note over the platform to remove the transport lock before use. So we will see how to remove the transport lock. So first of all, lift the platform scale. Down below we will see a nut and bolt right at the bottom side of load cell. We have to loose it. Now we are ready to assemble. First we will mount the back rail, for which we will be requiring 14 number spanner. To loosen the transport lock we will requiring 10 number of spanner. So we have removed the screws off. We have removed the bolt. Now we will assemble the back rail. We will match the holes properly, and then we will start mounting the tighten the bolt using the spanner. So now the back rail assembly is completed. Now we will take pole mounting. So first we will insert the load cell cable through the pipe. Once the cable is out, mount the pipe. Use 3mm of Allen key to tight the grub screw. Tighten the grub screw enough. As we can see, stability of the pole. The scale will look like this after mounting of back rail and pole pipe. Now we will mount the indicator. To mount the indicator on the pole pipe, first we will need to remove these screws which are used for swivel mounting. Once the screws are removed, we have to mount the swivel on the pole pipe. So for which we have to first take the load cell cable out through it. Once the swivel is mounted, now we will mount the indicator, for which we have to plug in the load cell cable. So indicator is having male connector, 5-pin male connector, and this is the load cell is having 5-pin female connector, and this connector is having a notch. So this is the notch, as we can see, and the same notch is available at the male connector. So now we will match the notch and plug in the connector. And now we will put the extra cable back in the pipe. Once the cable is inserted, match the swivel holes and assemble the screws. Once all screws are assembled, kindly take spanner number 10 and tight the swivel. Once the assembly is finished, the product will look like this. Now we will turn on the indicator. If you are facing any issues, you can call on this number. You will get answers for your questions. Thank you.